And so now we just let the water out. And generally these are the boards that are inside the bottom. But if you want to soak your feet and have the jets going, you can. And we just got our little artifacts and whatever little steamy smells we want. But and this is my favorite bathroom. All the bits and bobs we've actually found at the thrift store. And because I wanted a nautical themed bathroom, and this actually lights up and makes ocean sounds. It's my favorite. So, got that. And then all this actually went together, black and gold. And then these are the boards that go in the bottom of the sauna bathtub when it's just dry sauna. And my fiance wants to soak his feet tonight, and so we can keep the jets in there and make it like a jet sauna. There are other artifacts we got from the thrift store, and then whatever you want. I use essential oils, spearmint, peppermint. He was using that. Yeah, we just got that, and it just goes back. You can sit on that, and there's our sauna. You can close it all off, cover the lid, close that off. Better, but when it's all closed off, and make sure you seal it. And you just in there. Yeah, nice homemade sauna.